In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp link that people can send you a customized message into your DM. So if you are a coach or you sell digital product or physical product and you want people to send you a specific type of message into your DM, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to create a specific message that people can send you a customized message into your DM. So let's get into this session. So go to your Google Chrome. Then you type in WhatsApp link generator. So it's going to bring a different WhatsApp link generator. So I'm going to make use of this one. So we are using this create WA link. So you click on it, so you scroll down to where you see number, so you change it to your country code. So for Nigeria, change it to Nigeria +234. Then you enter your phone number, the WhatsApp number that you want to create and the link for. Then after that, you scroll down, then you go to customize message. So the message that you want your client or anybody that wants to send you message, the message that they will send to you, so a customized message. So for example, let me say so once you are done with the customized message, then you scroll down, then click on generate my work link. So you scroll down, then you copy the link. So let's go and test the link. So this is the link. So you're going to attach the link to maybe your bio or your write-up, depending on where you want to attach it to, or to your video that you want to use for run or advert. So if you click on the link now, so this is the message that you will receive, depending on the message that you customize for your client to send you. So this is how you want to look like. So this is how to create a WhatsApp link for your business. They can use to receive a message direct to your inbox. So if you got value for this video, make sure you like and share, and also drop your comments.